Hey everybody, this is Jake and Caleb from Jake's Off-Road and We Rock, World Extreme Rock Crawling. We just got a new package in from the guys over at Inductive Auto, and we kind of got it opened up and set out here on the bench and wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So opening up our first box, we've got a really nicely machined piece of aluminum that is going to bolt to the front of our motor right there. So very nice. That is going to be amazing. We still need to get our bolt pattern machined in the face of that. So they left that blank for us to so we can finish that here.
Yep.
All right. So digging into the rest of the box here, we've got some really heavy duty 2-aught cable. It's got the end's already terminated and the glands on here. So originally this inverter was mounted up onto the top of the motor. Their kit allows us to remove that and put it wherever we would like. So, being able to mount this separately is probably one of the coolest parts of this kit.
Yeah, and this is the first generation leaf motor, which that's what had the remote mount for the inverter. So this is the EM61 stock. It's supposed to be about 206 foot-pounds of torque, but the guys at Inductive Auto have a new control board that is available now that replaces the leaf control board. That'll bump up that power just by the control board. So
yeah, we're hoping to be over 300 foot-pounds out of this this little guy, and that is thanks to the work that the guys at Inductive Auto put together with this custom EM61 setup on here.
Yep.
So huge thanks to Inductive Auto for putting together an amazing package on here. So they were great to work with, and cannot wait to see how this comes together. Absolutely beautifully machined components, all set up for O-rings, so no RTV required. Let me pull this out of here real quick and kind of show you what that looks like. So there is that machined groove in the backside, so no RTV, but that will be nice and sealed. And look at that, that's incredible. So a bunch more of the machined products, and that is specifically to be able to remote mount this in the chassis where we want it. This is going to live right next to Caleb in the driver's seat, and this is going to go behind him, mounted up a little bit higher on top of the batteries. So we've got fully terminated wiring that will plug directly in. So super cool on there. We've got some custom gland wrenches. So that is way cool. A whole bunch of hardware. I believe those are the motor mounts. A couple more terminal lugs there. We've got Loctite, more hardware, another wiring plug. And what's super cool with this, in this kit, comes with the accelerator pedal ready to plug in. So just, if you guys have a custom project and you're wanting to go to electric on it, Inductive Auto Works has this kit ready to go. We had bought a Nissan Leaf that we were going to use all the components out of. We had already pulled everything out, and this kit was so much nicer and saved us so much time that we went ahead and sold all of our stuff and bought this kit from Inductive Auto Works. So Joe and those guys, I mean, absolutely really nice. All right, so we worked with Joe and John and Dennis and Inductive Auto Works, and they put together an incredible kit, gave us a ton of information that we needed to get started. Again, some really nice packaged hardware, some more cable glands that we have there. What else we got in here? Grease, dielectric grease. We're gonna need that. Another incredibly machined cord grip plate. So just a great job of a full kit to put all this together. So, aha, you guys can see that forward, neutral, and reverse.
That's all it is.
How's that shifter for you? All right, that looks like everything in there. Another little isolator heatsink block, I believe. Yep, lug isolator. Very cool. That'll just bolt on there and keep everything separate. Wow, I mean, a really, really nice kit. I can't thank the guys enough for going for that, putting that extra board in there and really getting this some more power out of there.
Yeah, definitely. If you're working on an electric build and you want to swap a motor in that's going to get a decent amount of power, especially out of such a small plant. A lot of these, it's super easy. You know, this kit, everything's here. It's just up to you to find out how you want to mount it, and then what you want to put behind it. Transfer case. That's what we're going with. We're just going directly to a crawl box to a transfer case, and so that's what this plate's here for. So we'll machine that and we'll bolt it all together, and it'll be a super compact, super easy drivetrain.
Yeah. And the guys do have a crawl box, basically, that will be the transmission that will bolt directly into here. You can get that directly from Inductive. It is a single speed low in order to get the RPMs for the drivetrain. I want to say the transaxle in here was about 7-to-1. We're going to be 7-to-1 in the axles, but we wanted to have the ability to go from high range and low range.
Yep.
So we went a little bit different direction. But if you don't need that high range like our custom application, you can get a crawl box directly from Inductive Auto. All right, let's clean some of this stuff off, and we'll get the transfer case up here and kind of show you the next steps of where we're headed.
All right.